Hey, now here from RVGUARD. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace 50 ampere RV female plugs with simple steps. Here we go! Step 1. Gather your tools and products. Let's first go over the tools and products we will need. The key item is the 50 ampere female plug. And next, here are the tools: wire stripper, power drill, screwdriver, big cutter, needle nose plier, a marker, measuring tape, scissors, and a knife. Now that we've got everything ready, let's start replacing. Step 2. Remove the damaged plug. First, use the big cutter to cut the cables attached to the damaged plug. After cutting, make sure to check the wire ends and clean with no signs of burning, rust, or oxidation. Next, we need to use marker to mark about 75 mm of our jacket. It's okay to mark a bit extra. Now, use the wire stripper to strip outer jacket of the cable. Be gentle as you don't want to damage the internal wires. And then slowly rotate the stripper around and then pull it off. Now, we have 4 different color wires. As to the inner insulation, we will also use the marker, and here are the numbers. White wire 75 mm, black wire 55, red wire 55, green wire 30. Mark each wire with a marker. And pay attention, the number are the parts that we need to remain. And now let's cut in it. Step 3. Stripper the inner wires. Now we need to strip insulation from the inner wires. For the male plug, you need about 10 mm exposed copper. Measure and use the wire stripper to remove insulation carefully, making sure not damage the copper wire inside. Step 4. Screw the plug. Next, unscrew the plug's 4 case screws and pop it open. Inside, you will see 4 terminals, each labeled with black, red, green, and white. Just connect each wire to the corresponding terminal based on color, and loop them around the screws.
And then use the screwdriver to tighten them.
Once all the wires are connected, snap the heavies together, run the 4 screws back, zip them tight with your driver. And that's it! If this video really helps you a lot, don't forget to like and subscribe us. If you want to learn more RV tips, let me know in the comments. Here's RVGUARD and see you next time!